morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning. No, hindi na pala good morning. Hapon na pala. 12:16 na ng hapon. And I just, no, not just. Basta nag-coffee ako kanina. Tapos, ito yung ginawa ko. Oh, pagising ko, actually, sobrang aga ko gumising kasi maaga gumising sa Dan. And ito yung ginawa ko. Malapit na ako matapos, guys. Hindi ko siya napakita kahapon. Nag-vlog ako kahapon nung nagpunta ako sa city. Kasama ko sila Kat. Pero konti na lang, yung kulang ko na lang is yung mga blue. Ang hirap kasi ng mga blue. Actually, maganda siyang stress reliever, yung pag ano ng puzzle. Maganda siya. Yan, nabait ko siya. I will cook me goreng. I'm excited. It's been a long time since I had Indomie. There's one. Indomie. So I got, if you guys watch my previous vlog, yung grocery shopping in Australia, I'm pretty sure you've seen that. I got this mee goreng from Indomie. And yeah, I will start cooking because I'm starving. So I will just heat up my water, and then after that, I'll put the mee goreng. So I cook it just like pancit canton, yung walang sabaw. So, yes. And it's so funny kasi diba, ang dami kong ganito sa bahay kasi pinadalhan ako ni Cecilia. Thank you so much, Cecilia. Pinadalhan niya ako. And then when I left, my sister told me na my puppy, yung papa ko, niluto niya tapos ginawa niyang noodles. So nilagyan niya ng tubig. So funny. Yeah. Just wanted to share. And my rice is almost done. I'm excited. So I'm just gonna wait for this to boil and I'm gonna cook. And I'm so... yeah, gutom na ako. Yummers. Hindi ko pa siya natikman kasi I'm waiting for my rice to cook. So I will have a little bit of rice, a little bit of noodles. Yes. As usual, I will say this again, huwag niyo akong gayahin. Kumain kayo ng fruits and vegetables. Speaking of fruit, do we have mango? Oh yes, you guys, I have been loving this mango. Calypso mango yung tawag nila dito. And it's just apple mango. So yeah, so good. So yummers. Ooh, warm na! Let's eat! Hello! I got a package! This is from Vanity Planet. Very, very good timing because yung Vanity Planet ko na brush, yung facial brush na lagi kong ginagamit noon, it broke. So I dropped it when I was taking a shower and it broke completely. So I stopped using it, obviously. I couldn't fix it. I tried, but hindi ko na siya maayos. But Vanity Planet sent me the Ultimate Skin Spa. Looks like this. This is actually the second time they sent me this. They sent it to me in the Philippines, and then it arrived after I left Philippines. So my sister is using that. And then now they sent me another one. So it looks like this. It's perfect. It's not as big as my original one, pero I don't mind because I want this to take with me traveling anyway. So yeah, it's just in this box right here. I actually really like the other one that they sent me. So when they contacted me again and asked if I want another one, I was like, yes, please, because the old one broke. And yeah, I actually have a code for you guys. I will leave the link below, or I will leave it on the screen right now if you guys are interested. So it looks like this. Comes with 3 heads. This one, that one feels really soft. This one feels like a it's not bristles. This one is kind of like a silicone-y. I actually really like this. Oh my gosh, let me read the instructions. And then this is the other head right here, and this is battery operated. So I can't even open. I cannot open. Hello. Okay, so I will need 2 AA batteries. There, batteries. And then let's remove this piece of paper right here. This you can use inside the shower, so okay lang siya. And then you will press this and it spins. Perfect. We'll see. Oh, that feels really soft. Honestly, that actually feels softer. Ooh, it goes faster as well. It feels softer than the old one that they sent me. No kidding. I like that one. This one is not as soft. Still soft, but not as soft as this. So I believe this is your daily cleanser head. And this is for scrub, I guess. So maybe use this once a week. Because that's kind of the same thing as before. And then this one, I'm not sure what this one is for. But yeah, I will leave the link below if you guys are interested to purchase these. I am looking at what food to cook for dinner. I'm thinking I will cook this. No, not cook. I will not cook the rice paper, but I will make rice paper roll for Dan. There's only 2 rice papers left. This is actually from a few months ago, and we still have 2 left. I can eat like rice because I still have rice here. He is like doing his best to stay healthy, right? It's so hard for me to stay healthy, you guys. Like, I love my noodles, I love my chips. I'm trying though. Well, I can't say I'm doing my best because, you know, but Dan is actually doing really good. And I think I will make him rice paper roll. I will just put carrots, fresh vegetables on the in the roll. I have here mushroom. I will cook the mushroom, of course. Capsicum, I will cook that as well. And then I have this, the bean sprouts. So yeah, I can put that in the roll, and that can be his dinner. Because I asked him today, what do you want for dinner? And he's like, something light and healthy. So I'm pretty sure that's light and healthy right there. Rice paper roll. There you go. Guys, I am so close. Katapos ko lang mag-edit ng video and I decided to go back to my puzzle and I'm so close. Look it. I do not know. This one must be extra. Kasi tapos na ako sa mga flip-flops na ganyan eh. See? I'm done with that. And there's an extra piece. And then I have that's a piece of popcorn right there. There's 2, 4, 6 pieces left. When we started doing this on Sunday, Dan said it will take us 1 to 2 weeks, and today is the 3rd day, and he stopped after Sunday. He stopped and he's like, nah, I can't do it. So I started doing it myself, and I'm almost done, and I will be done when he gets home today. I will be like, lucky. So yeah, let me just finish this. Let's do this. I did it. Yay, I'm so happy. Meron talagang isang natira. Yung totoo. Para saan ka talaga. Lilinisin ko lang to kasi medyo maalikabok siya. Galing kasi to sa mga puzzle. Yung mga pieces, inano ko sila. Well, if you watch the vlog, nakita nyo parang, ano bang tawag doon? Nilagay ko lahat ng pieces dyan. Tapos may mga alikabok. So yeah, linisin ko lang yan. But, yes! Ano lang, sana meron siya nung yung frame na sa kanya. Wala kasi, diretso lang to sa table. So yeah. Oh well. Yay! Guys, nandito na si Dan.
Hello!
Hi, babe!
Hello.
Did you know?
You didn't scare me.
Did you know that I was gonna scare you?
Nope.
Hello, I will be making rice paper rolls for Danny Boy. I just cooked the capsicum and mushroom right there. And then I cut up carrots as well right there. And then yeah, ilalagay ko lang yung rice paper dito sa warm water. And then I will start putting it all together. Done. Done. This is my dinner. Eggs. 2 eggs. Yummers. And rice. Kain! Hello. It's late at night. I'm just looking at stuff. What to do in Japan. Kasi binigyan ako ni Dan ng trabaho. Sabi niya, look for the stuff that we will do in Japan. So, he found this one, not ako. We wanted to do this. So, maricar.com. It's a public road go-kart, guys, in Japan. How cool is that? Is this in Tokyo, babe? Tokyo? Is this in Tokyo?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like public go-kart, and you will wear costumes, and yeah, you can film as well. They will provide you with an action camera, and if you have your own SD card, you can use that. You just need to know how to drive, because it's like legit like that. So it's customized go-kart na pwede sa public road. So you will be in the road like with the taxi and all that. That's so cool. So we wanted to do that. We need to get international driver's license though. So I think it's easy. I'm just not sure how much. But yeah, we will get that. So we will stay in Tokyo, and then we will go to Kyoto and Osaka as well. So if you guys have any ideas on what to do so Japan, please let me know. Like something nice like this. Like this is really cool. I would love to do this as well. I'm not sure about like wearing costumes though. Pero you know, the driving, it's fun. I think it's really cool. Pero if you guys have any idea on what to do there, please let me know. I would love to know. We would love to know. And then I need to figure out my Japan visa as well, because I need a visa to go to Japan. Dan, hindi na niya kailangan ng visa. Just me. I just emailed the consulate, Japan consulate here in Adelaide earlier. So hopefully bukas I will hear back from them. Hala, my memory card. My card got full. Pero yeah, that's what I was saying, you guys. I will need to get my Japan visa. I'm not sure how long that will take. I hope it doesn't take long. Oh well, yun yung ganap. I will go ahead and let you guys go, because I think this vlog is long. I think I will upload this as a one-day vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to get bye. Good night.